This video will show how to buy shares of Kingstone Cos Inc., a regional property and casualty insurer. Kingstone trades on NASDAQ under the ticker KINS, and this guide is educational, not financial advice. You need a broker to buy shares, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds to place an order. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker KINS to find Kingstone Cos Inc. Select the result that shows the NASDAQ listing to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, check the company summary and the price chart to confirm it is Kingstone Cos Inc. Verify the exchange is NASDAQ and that the ticker reads KINS before proceeding. To buy, click Investor Trade. Enter the amount you want to spend, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading reopens, and if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Once executed, your new position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. Check the description below for the eToro link if you want to explore the platform further.